Welcome to Stock Pro Gist. If you are new to our channel, I encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss out of our stock market update today. You can also like and share our videos so more persons can learn and be informed about the stock market opportunities. In today's news, Target soars on strong earnings, guidance disappoints. Target's stock price jumped 7% after the company reported better than expected earnings and revenue for the fourth quarter. The retailer's adjusted earnings per share (EPS) of $2.98 surpassed analyst estimates of $2.42. Revenue also came in higher than expected, reaching $31.92 billion compared to the anticipated $31.83 billion. However, despite the positive earnings report, Target's guidance for the year ahead was met with less enthusiasm. The company's outlook fell short of investor expectations, raising concerns about future performance. Tata Motors jumps on demerger plans to split vehicle businesses.
Gold prices surge. Futures reach new high, spot rates nearing record. Gold prices continued their upward trend on Monday, with futures hitting a record high and spot prices edging closer to their all-time peak. This surge comes amid market expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will cut interest rates later this year, fueling demand for the safe haven asset. Gold futures contracts for April delivery jumped 1.46%, settling at a record $2,126.30 per ounce. This marks the highest price since the contract's inception in 1974. Spot gold prices, which reflect immediate delivery, experienced a slight decrease of 0.16% on the day, currently trading at $2,111.69. This is just below the record high of $2,135.40, reached in December 2023.
Stock futures point lower after tech rout, Target soars on earnings beat. U.S. stock futures dipped on Tuesday, signaling a potential extension of Monday's losses on Wall Street. The decline comes after the tech-heady Nasdaq Composite pulled back from its record high, despite gains in artificial intelligence (AI) leader Nvidia. Dow Jones futures were down 0.1%, S&P 500 futures fell 0.2%, and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.5%. This follows Monday's broad market decline, fueled by concerns about potential interest rate cuts and a tech sector pullback. Despite the pullback, some experts like Jason Draho of UBS see continued upside potential in large-cap tech companies due to their significant role in the AI trend. Economic data releases on Tuesday, including the S&P Global U.S. Services PMI, Durable Goods Orders, and Eisen Services Index, may influence market sentiment later in the day.
Tata Motors jumps on demerger plans to split vehicle businesses. Shares of Tata Motors surged over 7% on Tuesday, following the Indian automaker's announcement to split its commercial vehicle and passenger vehicle operations into two separate companies. This demerger, planned to be completed within 12 to 15 months subject to approvals, will involve a scheme of arrangement ensuring identical shareholding for existing investors in both the new entities. Tata Motors expects this move to empower each business unit to pursue independent strategies and achieve higher growth with greater agility and accountability. The company also emphasized that the demerger is not expected to negatively impact employees, customers, or business partners. China's defense spending increase boosts stocks. Chinese defense stocks surged on Tuesday after the country announced a 7.2% rise in its military spending for 2024. This marks the seventh consecutive year of China increasing its defense budget by over 7%. The news coincided with the start of the annual parliamentary meetings in Beijing. The CSI Defense Index, which tracks Chinese defense companies, jumped 2.2% to its highest level since mid-January, reflecting investor optimism in the sector. Several individual stocks within the index also witnessed gains. Shenzhen-listed Fusion Torch Electron rose 1.1%, Aerospace CHUAV added 3.7%, Avic Shenyang Aircraft increased by 2%, and Avic Aviation High Technology gained 1.3%. This development comes amidst rising regional tensions, particularly concerning Taiwan. While the Chinese government maintains its stance of peaceful reunification, The increased defense spending has sparked concerns and drawn international attention.
Bitcoin soars to new high above $69,000. Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high on Tuesday, surpassing $69,000 and eclipsing the previous record set in November 2021. According to Coinmetrics, the cryptocurrency reached a peak of around $69,210. At the time of writing, it is trading around $68,307, representing a roughly 1% increase. This surge is attributed to several factors, including growing interest in Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and the impending halving event, which is expected to significantly reduce the supply of new Bitcoins, potentially impacting its price. That's all I have for you today. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share our video so others can learn and get real-time stock updates. Thank you for watching.